Welcome to a step-by-step walkthrough of the DCA Planner. In this tutorial, we'll follow a complete investment cycle using real trade data and see how the planner guides every decision. Let's begin by signing in. Visit the login page and choose Google, Apple, or Kakao. After signing in, select which planner to use. For this tutorial, we'll choose DCA plus MCA Planner. Both planners include the DCA strategy we'll demonstrate today. Here's the investment management dashboard. It's empty because we haven't created any investments yet. Let's click New Investment to get started. This is the investment registration form. Search for SOXL, the Direction Semiconductor Bull 3X ETF. Set seed money to $205,347, divisions to 40, start price to $37.88, and target return to 10%. The start date is October 13th. Click Register. We're now on the Trade Guide page, your command center. The investment info card shows your settings, including half-round shares, 67.76 shares, which is half of one day's buying amount. Notice there's no trading plan yet. It needs your first trade. Check the half-round share count on the info card, then place a limit on close buy order at the start price in your brokerage. If the closing price stays at or below your limit, the order fills. If it doesn't, update the start date and price next day and try again. Or simply buy at a specific limit price. That guarantees the investment starts. Once your first trade fills, enter the results here, and the planner creates your first DCA trading plan. Let's enter our first buy. Click New Trade, enter October 13th, price $37.88, and quantity 70 shares. Click Register. The guide immediately recalculates. Look at the trade-based calculations. Total buy is $2,651. We're holding 70 shares at an average of $37.88. The profit analysis shows zero profits so far. This is our starting position. Now look at the DCA Trading Strategy. This is where the magic happens. The planner has created a new plan. The buy strategy recommends half at $37.88 and half at $41.57, both as limit on close orders. The sell strategy sets 25% at $41.58 and 75% at $41.67. You place these orders in your brokerage app and wait. Here's the daily cycle. When the market closes and your order fills, you come back to enter the execution results. Here we're entering the second buy. October 14th, $36.63, 133 shares. Click Register and the planner instantly creates an updated plan. This cycle repeats: plan, order, fill, enter, new plan. After 5 daily buys, the numbers have changed significantly. We now hold 393 shares with an average price of $38.62. The seed profit is $658, a 0.3% return. The position is building systematically. The DCA strategy has evolved. Buy prices adjusted to $38.62 and $41.91. The sell targets moved to 98 shares at $41.92 and 295 shares at $42.48. Each trade changes the plan. That's the step-by-step cycle. On October 20th, the price hit $42.24, our partial sell target. We sold 98 shares, 25% of holdings. Now we hold 295 shares. The seed profit jumped to $1,424, a 0.7% return. After the sell, the strategy recalculates with reduced holdings. New sell targets are 74 shares at 42.07 and 221 shares at 42.48. The planner adapts to every change in your position. By October 24th, we sold everything. 463 shares at $43, then 154 at $43.55. Total buy 27,874. Total sell 30,755. Holding shares 0. Seed profit $2,881. A 1.4% return with an annualized rate of 47%. With all shares sold, the Trading Journal shows our complete 12-trade history. The DCA strategy guided us through the entire cycle, from first buy to final sell, adjusting the plan after every single trade. The planner detects that all shares have been sold and shows an investment completion available card. Click Complete Investment to finalize. In the edit form, change status to completed. Enter end date October 24th and final seed $208,228. Click Update. The investment moves to the completed archive. The performance analysis page shows our results. $2,881 profit in just 11 days. 1.4% return. 46.6% annualized. The summary tracks all completed investments, showing your DCA strategy's effectiveness over time. Start your own DCA journey today with OneBow's Stock Tools.